For 2 and 3 jet systems, the jet housings must be installed as close to 10-inch center to center as possible for maximum performance. Do not install the jet housings more than 12 inches apart on center. Throughout the entire installation, make sure the plumbing connected to the BaduStream jet housing is well supported. Unsupported plumbing will crack the jet housing. In areas with soft soil conditions or frequent earth movement, a flexible section of 4-inch hose should be installed at the back of the jet housing to prevent plumbing or jet housing damage. The center of the BaduStream jet nozzle must be located 12 inches below the waterline for maximum performance and efficiency. The air regulators should be located 3 to 4 inches above the waterline. The BaduStream assembly package contains all necessary parts for the installation of the unit into concrete, gunite, liner, or fiberglass pools. Please note that the suction and discharge lines are encased in the swimjet itself. No additional plumbing is necessary. The discharge connection is at the center of the back of the jet housing. The suction connection is at the bottom of the jet housing.